We have art tracing drama, but this is like the craziest reverse art tracing drama ever. Okay, let me just explain what happened to you because this is very confusing. This is a tweet from Bun BB Art. Help me God, I'm being accused of tracing a commissioned drawing. Me, tracing their character who happened to have the exact same one-to-one clothes as my commissioner's OC. Yeah, sure. Please stop this behavior. It's so insulting. So this took me a while to figure out because I was a little bit confused. So the other person is called Bitter Nightmares. Their account is no longer on Instagram. I think they got so embarrassed they deleted it. This is a DM from them to Bunny stating, my drawing is from 2022 and yours is from 2023. So here's a photo of their drawing. And then here we have a photo of them lining it up against Bunny's art. And as you can see, it's basically one-to-one. So here is their original piece again, original. And this one is Bunny's tweet. I can finally post this OMG commission for @/Gracie waifu. And this drawing is super cute. And as you can see, it's basically one-to-one. As for the 2022 is theirs and 2023 is mine, I have no clue, obviously lying. I'm having a relaxing evening and this is how it'll end. Hate comments on IG because people don't use their brains, my God. I'm shaking right now. Defaming my character is such a vile behavior. I've been drawing and taking comments for so many years using my own skills and seeing other people call me a tracer hurts. For anybody believing this, please use your brain. Their 2022 OC art has the exact same clothes as my commissioner's OC, and then I happen to see this said art and trace over it. Stop accusing me on DMs and use your brains. For anyone also DMing me and saying it's just a quote-unquote normal tracing problem and I shouldn't make a big deal out of it, they posted it publicly first and some people have seen it. I have gotten DMs and comments saying I traced. As an artist with 10+ years of experience, this is insulting, and so I feel the need to address it right away. I will not be called a tracer when I have done nothing of the sort. So yeah, I won't just quote-unquote move on from this because this isn't okay, and false accusations like this directly affects my commissions and livelihood. And yes, it might be hard to believe, but some people actually believe this person, even with our obvious difference in skills. That's mainly why I posted this, because of the accusing DMs I'm getting. Anyways, they've deleted their account, LOL. This is so backwards. It's actually crazy they thought they could get away with this. In 2023, Bun drew this art piece of Gracie waifu's OC in Gracie waifu's OC's outfit. So this outfit is not exclusive to, but it's the main outfit that Gracie waifu's OC wears. Even the pose, everything was made for Gracie waifu. And then Bitter Nightmares decided to go and trace over the art piece and traced over the pose, traced over even the flow of the hair, and traced the outfit. It is the exact same outfit. And then they claimed that this piece is from 2022, which is absolutely crazy. What are the odds that your piece, Bitter Nightmares, is from 2022 with the same exact outfit that Gracie's OC wears, that Bun later in 2023 got commissioned for? It doesn't make any sense. It's absolutely dumb. So I think maybe they thought, oh, if I trace over Bunny's art, but then call Bun the tracer instead, then I can get away with doing this while also stealing their clouts. And then we have Lidsey Lol on Twitter who did this overlapping video for us to see. They took Bitter Nightmare's drawing and placed Buns over it, and it's literally almost exact. The hair is completely traced too. The only thing that's different is the face. What is this reverse tracing? I can't even believe that. And there's no screenshot of the 2022 timestamp, by the way. We can't see that. And Lizabelle states their quote-unquote illustration has 2 watermarks. It kind of smells like one of those art/Fiverr scammers or something similar. There's literally 2 watermarks. You have the Nightmares watermark down here, and then up here you have a watermark that says Corey. Jupiter says they put fingernails on the closed hand, clearly traced. Wait, bro, no motherfucking way. That's crazy. Also, people are pointing out the difference in quality. And okay, I don't want to be that one person that's like, your art's better than your art and compare 2 pieces together, but I think it's okay to compare 2 pieces if one person traced over the other piece. The big thing that I want to know also is the lighting. The lighting on Bun's piece makes a lot of sense. It looks really good. The lighting here on this piece is really all over the place. This tells me they traced over the pose because they drew a pose that they then didn't know how to do the proper lighting for. But this person has the exact same pose and outfit and has the correct lighting for it. I don't want people in the comments being like, oh my God, it's possible for me to be bad at lighting and somebody traces my artwork. Of course it's possible, but I'm just stating in this case specifically, in this case, the context clues maths out to Bun being the original artist and this being traced. Other people in the comments of Bun's tweet also pointed out how Bitter Nightmares piece uses the same line weight across the entire piece. Even the lines in the hair, the little streaks are the same line weight, whereas Bunny has a very, very differing line weights going on in this piece. This is a more complex pose to draw, right? It's a more dynamic pose, and the pose matches the skill level that Bunny has as an artist. Whereas this pose and the skill level of the art don't necessarily match. It can be possible that somebody is really good at posing and just not great at like line work or anything else, but this is just all in context, really shows us, hey man, it truly looks like Bun was the one that drew this and this person just copied. Lavender, funny how the one whose art looks less experienced claims the one with more art experience as traced. Yeah, and I think at the end of the day too, if we use our common sense, we look at Bun, they tend to draw with very dynamic poses. A pose like that is not, it's not unique to anybody, to be honest, but we can tell that Bun has a consistent trend of drawing characters in very dynamic poses. But yeah, another more dynamic pose. I love their art style. I actually followed Bun when I saw this because their art is so pretty. But yeah, so as we can see, this art style and this type of posing is something that Bun does a lot. I have no other examples of this person's artwork because there is none, but I would be hard pressed to say that they tend to draw with more dynamic poses like this because it just doesn't look like something they've practiced very much. I'm just gonna be honest. Again, I'm not like a perfect artist either, but I mean, I'm just pointing out the obvious, y'all. And then we have commenters backing this up as well. Rika says, it doesn't even make sense who would trace from somebody whose skills are so clearly behind their own, like be serious. Sarah Shumai states, I feel like everyone is just shouting tracing or AI now because there's no way styles can be different. Poses look the same, or someone isn't a professional and doesn't 100% understand shading yet. Bun says, pose, hair, and clothes are all the same. This character is owned by somebody else too. It's a commission. And Shumai says, they're just mad because yours looks better. Zever Studio says, the fact that they're so similar is odd, but considering I can't even find this Bitter Nightmares person, let alone proof that their art was made in 2022, I'm left to side with you, an artist who has shown prior integrity. How can you trace a pic that seemingly is not public? Bun says, it's so obviously traced from mine. My art is a commission for somebody. Unless their OC has the same clothes as my client's OC, and also the exact same hair, then it's not possible. And I think this is the biggest giveaway as well. The fact that this piece is literally a commission of somebody else's OC. If you guys aren't in the art world, what OC stands for is original character, in which somebody will have a character design and they'll have a specific hairstyle, a specific hair color, eye color, and a specific outfit that character wears. Can this outfit be borrowed from existing outfits IRL that stores sell? It can be, but typically the combination of everything together with the same hair length, color, and the outfit, everything is what determines this person to be said person's OC or original character. So the big thing with this character is the hair and the outfit, okay? They have really long hair with one braid going down the back on the right-hand side, and they have this specific kind of like frilly angel kind of cutesy bikini style outfit with a heart buckle, garter, and what looks like little ruffle shorts beneath it, and arm warmers. All of this character design, the outfit, the hair, whatever, was created by Gracie Waifu, and that was part of their OC. So what are the odds that this Bitter Nightmares person happened to have the exact same outfit, and the exact same arm warmers, and the exact same hairstyle, down to the braid going down the right-hand side, and the exact same pose as Gracie's art? That's too much of a coincidence at this point. Has this outfit ever existed anywhere else? There's no way I can tell. But the combination of everything together, like if they had this outfit on its own, maybe, but the same hairstyle. And I would argue this braid down the right-hand side is very specific. But this combination of only one braid down the side with long hair, with this exact outfit, with this exact same pose too. All of that together now is very fishy, which tells me Buns was first. As of everything, I think the general public has determined that, okay, Bun is in the right here. They got their stuff stolen by this random artist that deleted their Instagram, so they're clearly in the wrong too if they deleted it. Otherwise, why won't they just defend themselves? I hope Bun can get more followers from this and get more commissions. It really sucks to have people tracing your art, and I can't even imagine how it feels like to have somebody trace your art and then like Uno reverse card you and claim you were the actual one that traced them when that wasn't the case. So that really, really sucks. Bun's art is so cute. I literally followed them because I thought it was so cute. So yeah, more love to them.